Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish bread. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. Using cold, high-quality butter is absolutely essential for achieving that perfect flaky texture. Always check that your yeast is active. This guarantees your dough will rise beautifully. Remember, patience is key, especially when chilling the dough between folds. This process is crucial for developing the distinct layers we all love in Danish pastries. Let's start by combining your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, and active yeast in a large bowl. Next, gently add the cold milk and 1 egg, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for just a few minutes until it becomes smooth. Now, wrap your dough tightly and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. This initial chill is important for handling. Now for the heart of Danish bread, lamination. First, roll your very cold butter into a thin 8-inch by 8-inch square. Carefully enclose this butter within your chilled dough, ensuring it's completely sealed. You'll then perform 3 single folds, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold. This creates those wonderful layers. After the final fold and chill, roll your dough out to a consistent 1/4 inch thickness, preparing it for shaping. With your beautifully laminated dough, it's time to get creative. Cut the dough into your desired shapes, whether they are classic snails, braids, or pockets. Place your shaped pastries on a baking sheet and let them proof in a warm spot until they have doubled in size. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and puffed. Finally, allow your delicious Danish bread to cool completely on a wire rack before taking that first delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.